Hey everyone, I'm Jillian. I'm from Lima, which is between Dayton and Toledo. It's a small-ish town. It's kind of big, but it's not big like Columbus. I'm currently undecided, and I am trying to figure out what I want to do, but I'm not 100% sure yet. And I'm hoping to actually figure that out this semester because I have to move to Columbus next semester most likely because I've run out of classes at Lima. What interested me about this group was originally I was going to do addiction, and then it filled up very fast, so I decided to do children and youth because they're such a large they're it's such a large group of people, and there are so many kids that are neglected and they don't have the kind of support that they need and have all these issues, and I would love to look into that more. And one unique thing about myself would be I danced for 16 years and was a national champ a couple times, but that's about it.